So I've committed to publishing 100 videos in 100 days. It's an experiment to see if I can actually do this YouTube thing. Unfortunately, day 4, and my ancient laptop decided it wanted a new career as a paperweight. Yeah, that was helpful. So as part of this experiment, I've committed to not buying any new equipment until at least I finish it, because I don't even know if I'm going to like it, and even if I do, I think it's too easy to get stuck in the trap of wanting new equipment rather than focusing on the basics first. So I've been using an ancient laptop which had a slightly damaged power lead that was held together by electrical tape. Not dangerous, but not ideal. Unfortunately, its battery is that old that it also no longer works, so I can only use the laptop when it's plugged in. And as of day 4, my power lead decided to give up the ghost completely and stop working. Can't figure out why, but that's another story. So essentially, my laptop is now a paperweight, at least until I get a new power lead, which I have ordered, but it's going to take a few days. Now, I do all my work for YouTube on my laptop, and I think if I weren't doing the 100-day experiment, then that would have been a really good excuse not to publish videos. I can just wait until I get the new power lead, don't need to struggle, can't do it perfectly anyway, but you know, as perfectly as I'm capable at the moment. Just wait, it'll be fine. But I've made this commitment to myself more than to you, but you know, if anybody's actually watching, welcome. And I think that public commitment got me past that hump and kept me working. So I did like the first day I didn't actually able to do a video because it was all a bit like, oh, what do I do? And then it was late, and so I didn't do a video. But the next day it's like, well, I've got to figure this out. So I use my phone for planning, which is not ideal. I mean, it's a pain, quite literally, because, you know, not great. But it did the job. Not comfortably, but it did the job. And because I used DaVinci Resolve, I needed a PC. Now, my husband has a PC that he uses for gaming or watching things in the evening. So I felt a bit guilty, but I kicked him off that for an hour. And managed to get my editing done. He's very understanding, but I still felt guilty. So I could have easily let my perfectionism take over, or my discomfort win, because it was just more discomfort, you know, inconveniencing my husband on top of the already discomfort of doing this. But because I'd made that public commitment, it kept me on track. I stalled for a day, I figured it out, and I kept going. Hopefully my lead will arrive someday soon, because this is getting old. So that was, you know, a nice sort of unexpected benefit of actually having the 100-day challenge underway. Tomorrow, what am I going to be talking about? I haven't thought that far ahead. Guess you'll have to wait till tomorrow.